Hey there! In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into Workday. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged into your Workday account. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. I prefer Google Chrome, so let's tap into that. And at the very top, you can see a search bar. Let's tap in there and let's type in Workday login since we are going to log in, and hit enter. And here, make sure you tap into the official site. Also make sure you tap in that login site, which is this one. That's a sign in, sign in, login, it's the same thing. So let's tap in here. And there you go, you'll be greeted with this page. All you gotta do is fill those empty fields. Let's type in our email over here. And our password, of course, that's associated with this account. And if you have trouble signing in, you don't need to worry at all. You can tap in this option right here that literally says, in the blue lettering, that's just trouble signing in. And if you want the site to remember your information, you can tap in this little square box and it will be marked, but let's leave it like that for now. That's it. All we gotta do now is hit that blue button that is continue and you'll be logged into your Workday account. That's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. That's it. We'll see you in the next video.